非常に世界経済に対してポジティブな積極的なその要因であるし影響を与えている。中国の非常にもう今まで、いろんな外国企業と取引することによって今度は中国の、そういった部品産業も世界的レベルに達してきてるわけですね。
And I think, among the measures that have been announced that are very important, one is to further shorten the negative list for foreign investment. Clearly, the intention is to provide a welcoming environment for foreign investors and other people who want to come to China for business, for import-export, for trade and so on.
We welcome the openness because it drives trade. So the openness, affects trade, which is good. Welcomes companies in, makes companies that are there more welcome, and that drives international trade.
The business environment in China has improved substantially, and that's welcome news because it increases confidence in the market, and confidence, of course, means additional investment. And we are happy to see the confidence rising.
A abertura de alto padrão da China contribuiu para sua maior integração na economia global, permitindo que o país desempenhasse um papel significativo em fóruns econômicos internacionais e em iniciativas de cooperação econômica. Esses resultados demonstram como a abertura de alto padrão está moldando a trajetória econômica da China, não apenas impulsionando o crescimento doméstico, mas também redefinindo seu papel e influência na economia mundial.
China's continuous expansion of high-level opening up contributes positively to the world economy by fostering great trade flows, investment opportunities and technological exchanges.
La politique d'ouverture de la Chine a déjà eu des répercussions significatives sur l'économie internationale. Elle a notamment contribué à la croissance du commerce international et à son rééquilibrage en faveur des pays émergents. Dans ce contexte, la politique d'ouverture de haut niveau sera vraisemblablement un facteur clé dans l'évolution du paysage économique mondial.
And with China's high-level opening up and modernization thrust, then we can only expect that there's going to be more production for dissemination to other parts of the world. So we are going to see a global economy that is more robust and that is asking for more in order to meet increasing demand.